In this video, I'm going to show you how to create product variations, so different versions of the same product. This is particularly helpful if you do sell things like dog beds and you have different sizes, different colors, and you want those to be available to your customers. You can also use product variations to create different payment methods or payment plans for one particular product. So let's go ahead and navigate over to our products by clicking on products over here on the left-hand side. We're going to go back to our dog bed, and to enable variations, I'm going to go right back to my advanced settings over here, and I'm going to enable variants. Then I get to start adding my variants straight away. So it's going to say option name, we've got size, color, etc. as an example, and let's start with size. Let's say I've got small, medium, and large dog beds. So I'm going to say that this is size, and then it's going to give me, oh, that's not how you spell size, there we go. And then it's going to give me my optional values, small, medium, large, etc. So I do want to have small, I want to have medium, and I want to have large. So those are the three sizes of dog beds that I sell. And I then want to go ahead and hit save. So now I've got my small dog bed, I've got my medium dog bed, and I've got my large dog bed. You'll see that these other two products are currently unpublished because the only product that I have customized is the initial product, and it's automatically made that my small product. So I can then go into my medium product and I can go ahead and customize this and give it a price. I can go to my advanced settings and I can enable the gallery, and everything that I've done within the initial product I can do here. And then once I've done all that, I need to check what is the price of this small dog bed. $99. So let's go to our medium dog bed. Let's say that this is $150, and I'm not going to add any extra stuff because it's just going to take a little bit too long, but I'm going to go ahead and publish this product, and I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to go to my large dog bed, and we're going to make this $200 and also publish that and hit save. Then what we can do is also add extra variations, because we've got our size variations, but maybe we've got different colors. So I want to add another variant option. So I'm going to do that by clicking on add option over here. And this time it's going to be my colors. And sorry, color, there we go. And I'm going to say that I have a red dog bed, a blue dog bed, and a yellow dog bed. And then I'm going to hit save. So now I've got my color variants. And again, I need to go in and change all of these other variants. And you'll see here that it's now gone ahead and changed all of the different kinds of variants that I have available. So I started with 3 variants. Now I have 9. So those variants are a small red, small blue, small yellow, a medium red, medium blue, medium yellow, and so on. You get the point. Don't have to go through all of them. So again, I need to go into each of those products, customize them, and update them a little bit and make sure that they are published. So ideally, you would go to your small blue product and you would make sure that it's got an image of your blue dog bed. And the small yellow dog bed would have an image of the small yellow dog bed. So again, you get the point, very obvious. So I would go in and customize all of these. This is the medium one, so it's $150. I'd upload my pictures and everything and make sure it's published and hit save. And I would go through each of these different variants and do exactly the same thing. I'm not going to go through all of them because 9 is quite a lot to go through and publish. But that is how you can go ahead and create variants. So now when a user goes and clicks on that product within your product catalog, they'll be able to choose any of the variants. They'll be able to see the difference between those variants, and you won't have to list each of these individually on your website. You'll just be able to list one product and all of the variants will be available to your customers. So that is how you can create product variants. But I did also say that you can use product variants to create different payment methods, well, payment plans for products. So if I want to do that, I'm actually going to go ahead, and those are all saved changes. So I'm going to navigate back. I'm going to come to my subscription product, and let's make this more on theme instead of just my subscription product. We'll say dog box subscription. So maybe they get a box every month of fun goodies. And then I want to create product variants for this particular product. So I'm going to go ahead and enable variants on this product. And let me save my changes first and then enable variants. And so now I want to make sure that they're getting perhaps a slightly different version of this. So perhaps we want to have a once-off payment plan so they can buy just the box once, or maybe they want to subscribe for 4 months, maybe they want to subscribe for the year. So we can do that. We can create different payment plans, and let's go ahead and name this payment plans. There we go. So we'll say once off, 4 months, and 12 months. And then we go ahead and hit save. So now I want to come to my once-off product, which is the current product that we've got here. And I want to update my payment plans for this. So my once-off product, I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to make sure that this is not actually a subscription. So I'm going to disable the subscription, and I'm going to allow them to buy it for maybe a slightly higher price than $25. Maybe if you buy it once off, you got to pay $40. All right, then we can go ahead and hit save. Then I want to go to my 4 months, and this I'm going to change a little bit. So we're going to come here to my advanced settings, enable the subscription, and then I'm going to make the subscription price for this one $30. You're subscribing for 4 months. It's still a little bit more expensive than subscribing for the year, but it's a little bit cheaper than just buying it once off. So we're going to make it $30, no discount, nothing. And then we can go ahead and hit save. Well, actually, I also want to publish this, so we're going to publish that. Oh, and I do want to limit the subscription. So yes, I'm going to limit the subscription. There's only 4 repeats of it. And then I'm going to hit save. All right. And what I could do instead is say that this is actually $40, but you get a discount of $10. Whoops, not $100, $10. And then it's going to show them, hey, you're actually saving money if you subscribe for 4 months rather than just buying it once off. So we can do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And then I'm going to go to the next one, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come to my status, make it published, go to advanced settings, subscription. And this time it's going to be, again, I can do the same thing, $40, but I'm going to give them a discount of $15, and that's going to give them a $25 price. So again, I'm showing them, hey, if you subscribe for a year, you save $15 over buying it just once. Then again, it's going to be an interval of 1 month, and I'm going to limit that subscription to 12 repeats. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So now all of those different payment options, or subscription options, I suppose in this case, are going to be available to my customers when they choose to purchase my DogBox subscription. So they can buy it once off, they can buy it 4 months, or they can have a 12-month subscription. So those are the options that are going to be available to them, and you can customize those pricing options as much as you want. So if you're selling a program, you can do it here as well. You can create different payment options for that program. So it's going to allow your customers to pay it off over a certain amount of time, or you can choose to have them subscribe to something indefinitely. So it's up to them which payment option they would like to choose. So those are the different ways that you can use product variants within the system. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to bundle products. So we're actually going to use this DogBox subscription to create a little bundle product that gets sent out anytime someone purchases this DogBox subscription. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll see you there.